From wild science comes the worm farm. You can dig up your own worms, but don't forget to bring some soil too. The kit comes with colored sand so you can see exactly where the worms go as they eat their way through the soil. Add your worms and keep the soil nice and moist. Now, worms avoid light, and in other kits you can't see them, but we have privacy shutters. All you need to do is slide the shutter up to see into the private life of worms. The full color instruction guide has heaps of fun worm activities, like how fast worms bury money, or your keys, or even treasure. And there are intelligent tests for worms. And do worms really eat gardeners' seeds? Well, the answer is, they don't eat the seeds, they actually plant the seeds. But why? You can investigate worms' senses. They have no eyes, but they can see light and shade. They have no tongues, but they certainly know what they like to eat. The Worm Farm Kit. There's only one wild science.